If you are applying a fragrance and still not getting compliments, hear me out. सबसे पहले हम उन पैरामीटर्स की बात करेंगे जिनकी वजह से हमें पता लगता है कि हमने स्प्रेज ज्यादा लगाने हैं या कम लगाने हैं. So there are many things, but 3 of them are कि अगर stronger fragrance है तो जनरली आप कम स्प्रेज लगाएंगे. अगर weaker fragrance है तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू विल हैव टू स्प्रे मोर. अगर EDT है तो मोस्टली आपको स्प्रेज ज्यादा लगाने पड़ेंगे. अगर EDP है तो आपको स्प्रेज कम लगाने पड़ेंगे. And similar for extrait. लेकिन this is not always the case because sometimes EDT performs better than in EDP. You can take an example of my Terry Hermes EDT which performs better than Bleu de Chanel EDP. इसके अलावा अगर atomizer जो है वो pressurized होगा तो हम कम sprays लगाएंगे क्योंकि उसमें से ज्यादा liquid flow करेगा. And अगर atomizer pressurized नहीं होगा तो हम ज्यादा sprays लगाएंगे because उसमें से liquid कम निकलेगा. So there are no hard and fast rules in how to apply a fragrance, but there are some general guidelines that I'll be giving to you that might help you in getting some compliments. So these things vary from person to person, but the average amount of sprays that I do is 9. So I do 5 on the neck, 1 behind back of each ear, 1 at the back, 2 at the front, 2 at the shirt, and 1 on each forearm. And if I have to do 15 sprays because the fragrance is weaker, what I'll do is I'll do 2 on the shoulder, 2 extra on the shirt, and maybe 2 on the wrist. And if you have to go totally crazy, you can put 1 spray on each of your knee and 1 on your hair. So this was how to apply a fragrance on your body and how many sprays to use. Now we'll talk about when to apply a fragrance. So normally आप क्या कर सकते हैं? You can take a bottle in your bag and आप ये लेके जा सकते हैं. But डर ये होता है कि जो बड़ी बॉटल होती है this might break. So it is always advised to keep a small decant for yourself which you can take along with you. उसका size भी छोटा होता है and अगर in case वो टूट भी जाता है तो ज़्यादा नुकसान नहीं होता. Generally it is always better कि आप अगर कहीं जा रहे हैं तो वहाँ पहुँच के अंदर जाने से पहले आप fragrance लगाएं. But for example if you are traveling by car तो आप फ्रेग्रेंस घर से भी लगा के जा सकते हैं बिकॉज गाड़ी में AC होगा एंड आपकी फ्रेग्रेंस खराब नहीं होगी. But if you are traveling on a bike, don't make the mistake of putting on your fragrance before leaving your house because उससे आपकी सारी fragrance की projection खराब हो जाएगी. आप जब travel कर रहे होंगे आपकी fragrance को मिट्टी, ह्यूमिडिटी, गर्मी और हवा की वजह से सारी उसकी projection जो है वो खराब हो जाएगी. So this was all on how to apply a fragrance. But do remember, if you yourself don't take care of your hygiene, any of this won't matter. No fragrance in the world will make you smell good. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to comment below. Thank you so much for watching and Allah Hafiz.